Hello students, I am Shweta Gandhi, primary educator from Countryside International School. Today I come with a new video for grade 1 of English subject. Now in this exercise we have to arrange the word in alphabetical order. Now words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Yes, so to arrange this list in alphabetical order, we look first letter of each word. Now word that begins with A letter, A comes first, followed by the letter, then letter B, then C, and then D, and then so on. Here I have a 4 word, that is cake, deer, apple, butterfly. Now all the letters that I have done with red, among all these 4 letters, which letter come first in alphabetical order? A. So which word will come first in alphabetical order? Apple. Then B, that is butterfly. Then C, that is cake. And then D, that is deer. Now when more than one word begin with the same letter or letters, list the word according to the second or third letter and so on. So when it is sometimes it is happened that 2 words are begin with the same letters. Yes, for example sun and sunflower, they both start with a letter S. Here I have an example of mug, mat, monkey, milk. These all 4 letters, words are start with letter M. So, what we will do? We will list the word according to the second letter. That is in mug, U, in mat, the second letter is A, in monkey, the second letter is O, in milk, the second letter is I. Now, all the green letters, that is U, A, O, I. We have to check that among all these 3 letters, which letters come first in alphabetical order. So, if we see A in mat, that comes first in alphabetical order. Yes, so mat will come first, then milk because the second letter is I, then monkey because the second letter is O, and then mug because the second letter is U. So here is the answer: mat, milk, monkey, mug. Now this is what the exercise which is given in your book. Here we have to identify the picture. Then we have to arrange them in a alphabetical order. Let's first identify the picture. The first picture is what? It is a mop. The second picture is eagle. The third picture is bell. The fourth picture is tiger. Then umbrella. Then sea lion. Then volcano. Then number 6 and zip. Now here what we will do first? We will check the first letter. Yes. So in mop it is M, in eagle E, bell B, tiger T, umbrella U, sea lion S, volcano V, 6 S, zip Z. Now in alphabet, which word will come first? Here bell, because it starts with letter B. So we will put number 1 as they have already given B-1 because it starts with letter B, and so from all this word it will come number 1. So we will put number 1. Then after B, which letter will come? A, B, C, D, E. Yes, here E word is there. The letter E is there and the word is eagle. Yes, so we will put number 2 here. Then after E, which letter will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M letter is there? Yes. Which word it is? Mop. So we will put number 3. After M, N-O-P-Q-R-S. S is there? Yes. But here two words are there. That is sea lion and 6. This both the words are start with letter S. So what we will do in this condition? We will check the second letter of the word. In sea lion it is E and in 6 it is I. I have done with a red color. Yes, in C it is E and in 6 it is I. So, in alphabet which will come first? E or I? E. So, we will put number 4 in front of sea lion and we will put number 5 in front of 6. Yes. Now, after S, which letter will come? S, T. So, we will T. Is there any word in this exercise? Yes, tiger. So, we will put number 6. After T, U. U is there? Yes, umbrella. So, we will put number 7. Then, after U, which letter come? V. V is there? Yes, volcano is there. So, we will put number 8. Then, after V, W. W is there? No. X is there? No. Y is there? No. Z is there? Yes. So, we will put number 9 in front of that. Now, this is another exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the name of color. Now, one picture is given and from that picture, we have to fill in the blanks. But in that blanks, we have to write the name of the color by seeing the picture. Here is the picture. Can you describe this? The girl is, I think she is playing with her ball. The sheep is eating grass. Red flowers are there. Clouds, trees, so many things are there. Now let us read the blanks. First blank is the roses are dash. Second blank is my shoes are dash. Third is I have a dash ball. Fourth is I will play under the tree. The tree has dash leaves. Fifth is the dash sheep is eating grass. Now what we have to do? We have to write the color's name. So the first is the roses are. What is the color of the roses? Red. So we will write red. Second is my shoes are dash. What is the color of that girl's shoes? That is blue. Yes. The third is I have a dash ball. What is the color of the ball which is holding by that girl? That is yellow. Fourth is I will play under the tree. The tree has dash leaves. What is the color of the leaves? Green. So we will write green. The dash sheep is eating grass. Now what is the color of the sheep? Black. So we will write black. Thank you children. I will come to you with the new video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.